Hello everybody, Aki here, and this is Amori. Well, first of all, disclaimer, this game is I has tackled some, dark subjects on, mental health and everything. If you are one of them suffering this kind of thing, seek professional help as always. Reach to any people that you want to talk to. Just, life life's worth it. You're important of this world. Okay? So without further ado, let's start this game. Omori. I've finished this game once, but you know, I stopped. Yeah, I didn't get the good ending. Don't worry, everything's going to be okay. Oh, this game really takes me back when I played this. Hmm. No matter what happens, the promise me that we'll always be there for each other. Okay? Oh, oh, no. Promise me. Okay? Welcome to white space. Okay. Oh, you have been living here for as long as you can remember. Okay. I never thought this game would be, remembering sometimes. Oh, oh, okay. Done warding. Okay. Your sketchbook, take a look inside this. Oh, okay, okay. Okay. This is it for now. A tissue box for wiping your sorrows away. Meow. Waiting for something to happen. You put it up your good laptop. What would you like in your journal? Nothing yet. Okay. Start at the screen. Would you like to do? Oh, turn off please. The heat from the laptop. Warm up your warm your laptop. Get nice. Okay. By the way, this is an RPG Maker game, so I can play this. I can play this in my phone through an emulator. A light bulb hangs from the ceiling wherever it is. Look into the lamp. Yes. Okay. It's pitch black inside. You can see a thing. Oh man, yes. A white door casts a faint shadow. What would you like to do? Nothing. Stare at the toad. Wait, where am I going? Nope. Where should I get the light? waiting for something to happen. Okay. Okay, how to... Okay, okay. Wait, where should I go? Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, I don't have it yet. Okay. Okay, wait. Where should I go? I know I need to do something here. Okay, no. Oh, okay. Wait. Okay. Shiny knife. Okay. Got the shiny knife, alright. Oh, nice artwork there. Holy. Hi Omori, we were hoping you'd come by soon. Wanna play cards with us? We were just about to start another game. Oh, oops. Never mind. Oh man, what the heck, Aubrey? Messed up all the cards. I was winning too. Hey there, Kale. Hi there, Kale. There's no need to get angry. It's just a game after all. Don't give me that, hero. You only say that cause you were losing. There's a movie on TV. Four boys walking on railroad tracks. So, a cat shape. A tentacle is poking out of the ground. Stop toy. Okay. A single banana crate. A photo of someone familiar. The toast, yes. Made a toast. A fluffy pillow shaped like the head of a girl. A neatly wrapped present. A blender. Waiting for something to happen. Why is Kel always so mean to me? You know the other day, that good for nothing stole my stuffed toy and hid it somewhere in this room. Why would he do something like that? She's so immature. I mean, what did I ever do to him? I know. Can you find my stuffed toy for me, Omori, pretty please? Could it be? I'll snatch the stuffed toy from you. Hey, Kel. Look, it's my stuffed toy. What the heck? Where did you get that? Omori found it. Lucky for me, I've got some real friends. Serves you right, Kel. You should know better than to pick on others. But overstarted it. She was the one who was making fun of me for the mole on my own or what. Aubrey. Fine. Thank you, Omori. I knew I could count on you. You're the best. Hey, Omori, I'm glad that's all settled. Those two always seem to be bumping heads. Mari and Basil invited us for a picnic at the playground. Did you want to see them? Yes. Right, everyone, let's go see Mari and Basil. Something to happen. Going out, Omori. Here's your allowance for today. 50 clumps. Okay. This is the currency of the game, huh? In the fantasy world, in the white space world. Oh yeah, fresh air at last. Love that nature. Well, let's go. Hey, wait a sec. She's stuck. Help me out, guys. I'm stuck. Yep, she is stuck. Only if you say please. Stop, Kel. Stop messing around and get me out of here. Okay, fine. Took you long enough. Well, sorry, princess. Oh man, this is so good. Mari, Basil. Oh, hello Aubrey. Hello everyone. power all the way today. Cause being mean to me again. Oh no, not again. How could he? Psh, I'm not being mean. Obvious just being all mine. Well, Kel, you've just made a very convincing point. Now I don't know who to believe. Believe me. No, believe me. Settle down, you two. Why does it always have to be like this? Chin up, hero. Look at you, being all responsible. I really like that about you, Kevin. Come on, Mari. Not now. Oh, hero, you know I'm just teasing. You're so cute when you get all flustered. While we were waiting for you guys, Basil and I were making through his photo album. Did you wanna join us? Of course. After all, we're the ones in the pictures, aren't we? Basil, get a load of this. Come on, Basil, take a picture of me. Sorry, Kel, I only take photos of people when they at least expect it. You like to take photos of people acting naturally when they're not in front of a camera, right, Basil? Yeah. There's something special about everyone living their own lives. Those are the moments I want to capture. So like, we just have to pretend you're not there. Haha. Yeah, I guess you can put it that way. Sure, I can do that. Did you want to show us your photo album now, Spacer? Ah, okay. But it's nothing amazing. Oh, Basil, stop doubting yourself. I'm sure they'll be great. You're right, Aubrey. Sorry. I'll try to believe in myself more. Here. This way we can all see. Mari's teaching everyone how to make flower crowns. Omori and Kel are holding Mari's example. So pretty. Okay. Omori and Kel gave up and ran off, but Aubrey and I got a hang of it really fast. He's still making his flower crown. It's taking him a little while, but he's getting it. You have to admire his persistence. Everyone's eating watermelons, so juicy. Aubrey has some seeds on her face. Maybe someone should tell her. Kel drinking a bottle of milk is his favorite. We shouldn't get too close or he might get my camera wet. Mari and Hiro take a picture of us. Everyone thinks a flower crown really suits me. Hiro leaning in for a smooch. Kel looks so annoyed. A brotherly love. We're having a picnic today. Mari wanted to take a picture of everyone, so cheese. After eating, everyone fell asleep except Hiro and Mari. I'm getting kind of sleepy myself. Kel said he took a picture of himself on accident, but I didn't believe him. All of our feet in a circle. Can you guess whose feet are whose? Maybe this is Mori. Omori. It's a good picture. These photos are all just so charming, Basil. You really know how to capture the moment. Thanks. I didn't take all of them though. Maris likes to steal my camera sometimes. Only sometimes. Hey, I have an idea. Did you all want to come hang out at my house? I just finished planting some little sprouts and wanted to show everyone. Come on, they're really cute. Yeah, sure, that sounds fun. Let's go. It's the south of the playground, right? Yep, that's the way. I think I'll sit this one out. You all go and enjoy yourselves. If you're ever feeling weary, you can always stop by one of my picnics. I always have some refreshments ready, and you can even save using my picnic basket. Oh, thanks, Marie. You're always doing so much for us. Bye, Marie. We'll see you again soon. Run along and have fun now. You know where to find me. First basket, would you like to say yes? Yes. Yes. Okay. Run along and have fun now. You know where to find me. Hey, Omori, guess what? I got some plans on today. Big plans, just stay put for a while. You'll see what I mean soon enough. Oh. Hey, wait a second. Where do you all think we're going? You can't live without joining us for a game of hide and seek. Stay and play with us. The more the merrier. You want to play hide and seek again? But you know how this turned out last time. Yeah. Sorry, barely. I think we're going to have to pass. We're going to Base's house now, so I'll catch up with you later. Not so fast. You guys trying to avoid me again. What's up with you two? Is it my face? My rough and tough exterior? At least I'm not I'm not as bad as boss. It's a good thing I banned him from the plague after what happened last time. Excuse me. I wonder what that moron is up to now. Hey, good riddance. So we wanna play hide and seek, Basil? I can go either way. There's no rush to get to my house after all. I think I live up to Omori. What do you want to do? Where? Oh, she's big. Omori, my best friend. Come on, you know how to play hide and seek, don't you? Yes. Okay, that's what I thought. What's stopping you? Come on, let's play. I'll round everyone up. Then what? Alright, man. Okay. Here's the rules. We're gonna be entertaining ourselves with a little game of hide and seek. Here in my hands I got some straws, see? Everyone here's gonna pick a straw. The one with the shortest straws gonna be it, and we'll have to find everyone else. Sounds easy enough, right? I think. Okay, she's giving around the straws. We all got our straws. Good. Now let's see who's gonna be it. I like this side quest. Well. Looks like the one with the shortest straw is Omori. Oh, wait. Omori is But Omori doesn't like to be alone. Are you going to be okay, Omori? You can take your place if you want. I don't mind really. Hey, I hear you plotting over there. Astros make the rules, not me. Come on, don't be babies. It ain't so bad. Come, Omori will be fine. And you're ready to play, walk up to the tether ball pole and close your eyes. No peeking or else. Five, four, three, two, one, go. Oh, you find me. I can help you find everyone. Just don't tell about this. Got it? Hehe. Turns out, there's not many places to hide for a guy my size. But this was still fun. As long as Burley is happy, I'm happy. Remember? Boy, it's me happy. You found me, so that means I gotta do something else now. Oh, I know. I'm gonna count the alphabet backwards. C Y X W V U O M O. Darn, you found me. I guess that means I lose. You know what Happy would say right now? She'd say something like, Bangs, you should always try your best at everything. How else will people see how awesome you are? Next time, I guess. Suspicion blue box. Eternal banana. Okay, here you go. Where am I? Oh, I was dreaming that I was on a private beach with servants fanning me with palm tree leaves on every side, and suddenly wham! And now here I am. Must follow me wildly heading. Guess that's game for you. Over for you. Oh, you found me. Darn. Let's go find everyone else together. Omori. Haha, we found you, Boone and Nose. You found us. Now, Nose goes. Oh, you know, I can't stay mad at you. Let's go play patty cake. No. Oh, hey guys. You know, on a really good hiking spot, but Sean and Ren invited me to join them in their exercise routine. It's one good for you. They say you should try this, and it's a workout. Oh man, I'm so tired. Wow, you really don't know how to say no to anyone, do you, hero? Come on, hero. You're gonna help Mori find everyone else. Alright. Bye, Sean. Bye, Rain. This was fun. Yeah, let's do this again sometime. See you later, hero. Okay, nothing. Here. Just mailbox. We can't leave yet, Omori. We haven't even won yet. Ah. Okay. Where are you two? We're not playing. We're exercising. Oh, hi, Omori. I see. Everyone decide to stay a bit to play hide and seek. If you're having a hard time, I can lend you a hand. Big sister is sorry for you. So, like some help? Yes. From what I can see, there's still 2 friends left to find. You can do this in morning. Rooting for you. Peekaboo. Okay. Wait, where's the other 2? Okay, where are you guys? Holy, where are they? Where are the 2? Okay. There's a straw in the ground. What is that? Yes. I knew it. Wow. Took you guys long enough. I thought I was gonna suffocate in there. How'd you like my hunting spot? Pretty good, eh? Looks like you're pretty much found everyone else too. Unexpected, but I like it. Let's do a final roll call. Then hot. 1. Here as always, buddy. Charlie here. Vital. What gives? Happy here. Rose. Banks here. Ban is here. Nose goes. Hero. Present. L. You really gonna do this every time, Birdie? That was uncalled. Aubrey. Here I am. Wait, huh? Where's Basil? That's strange. I thought I saw him hiding near that tree over there. Basil, where are you? Can you hear us? Basil, you can come out now. You already won. Hello, Basil. Oh! Hey, there's Basil. Basil, are you okay? Are you stuck? Okay. Boss, I should know it's you. Good for nothing scoundrel. Let Basil go. Yeah, what did Basil ever do to you? Basil is our friend. Don't you dare hurt him. Let go of Basil, boss. He didn't do anything wrong. You stupid heads. If this is about Basil, don't lay down. You know why I am here. How dare you not invite me to hide and seek? I'm the one who showed you all how to play in the first place. You're not even playing it right. How can you call it hide and seek without anybody's love? Oh, my flower crown. Hey, that's the flower crown we made for Basil. How could you? Let go of him, you big bully. No, if I can play with everyone, then no one can. This is a boss only zone now. And you're not invited. Okay. Hit. You can do it. So okay. You call that an attack? Okay. Okay. Attack sa boss. Hey, that kinda hurt. This isn't fun anymore. Okay. Oh! Now you've made me angry. It's time for my special move. Pad slam. Okay. Toast. Okay. Omori did not succumb. Oh, are still moving. Okay, nice. There you go. Nice, someone's victorious. Victorious. You got 32 XP, you got 22 clams. This isn't fair. Rematch. I want a rematch. Nice. Basil, are you hurt? Don't worry about me. I'm just fine. Cause must be hurt to see someone have fun without you. That doesn't mean you can ruin other people's fun. I know that. There. Does that feel better? Basil, are you sure it's okay to do that? Boss is bad news. It's a good thing Momori held on during that final attack or attack line. It's okay, I trust him. When you were all fighting, he tried really hard to make sure I didn't get hurt. Is that true, boss? That's a load of baloney. I don't need to hear these lies. This is my spot. No one is welcome here. Okay. Well, he probably won't be a problem as long as he stays like that. I guess that means we can go to Basil's house now. That sounds good to me. We're leaving now, boss. Don't cause any trouble, okay? Okay, I'm ready. Let's go. Okay, let's save. Oh. Delicious candy. Pep. Yes. Oh, wait. There's a lot of side quests here, huh? I want to give flowers to someone, but he's only interested in puzzles. If only I could find a flower puzzle or something, like maybe then he would notice me. Oh, okay. Wait, where could I find this? Yes, hello valued customer. Welcome to my shop. Please buy something. Candy. Alam you na, I don't appreciate window shoppers. Hey, I don't know. No. For now. Yes. Okay, this is the end of the episode. Thank you for watching, everybody, and bye-bye.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know it, and banish all their fears, and sing a ta-row-row and a row-row-row for the British Flag.